All right, now let's look at this question carefully. Now, it's kind of the same video we've been watching, but now they want us to write the equation in what form? Slope what? Intercept. What? So which is y equals what? Mx plus b. But let's look at the information given to us. To answer this question, we need to know the m and we also need to know the b. What does b stands for? Y-intercept. What does m stands for? The slope. Was the slope given to us? Slope is not b. Slope is the m. B is the y. Was is not, but are we given enough information to find the slope? Yes. And how do we find slope again? I forgot. Can someone remind me how do we find slope? Y2 minus y1 over what? X2 minus x1. So we have to find the slope first. So this is
this one.
so now let's find the slope. And how do we find the slope? This is the first, and this is the what? Second. I'm sure now everything is coming back. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Now let's set up the slope. So y2 is negative 6. Y1 is 4.
Oh, yes,
X2
Okay, yes, sir.
X2 is what? 17. And X1 is negative 8. Did you guys see what I just did right there?
Yes, sir.
Now let's find the slope. So negative 6 minus 4.
Negative 10.
Negative 10 over what?
25.
25. Can we simplify this?
Yes.
So this is going to be what? Negative
Negative
2 over 5.
Yes.
So now we have the slope. We have a m, right? So our m is 2 over 5. Now, do we have the b?
No.
No, we don't have the b. But we can find the b. And how do we find the b? Use any of the points to find what? The b. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to be using the first point. I always like to use the first point all the time. I can use the second one if I want to, but I'm always going to use the first one. So now, the first point, what is your y? Your y is negative what? 8. And what is your y is 4. Your y is 4, and your x is what? Negative 8.
Remember, right there is negative 2 out of 5.
Plus b. Let's simplify
The
this.
slope is negative.
Negative 2, yes, thank you. Negative 2 over 5. Now, let's simplify this. Now, so this is going to be 4 equals what? Positive what? 2 times 8 is what? 16. Positive 16 over what? 5 plus b. Now, what can we do to get b by itself? Move across, change the sign. So now this becomes 4 minus 16 over 5 equals your b. Now, how do we do this? Everyone remember the lazy way?
Yeah.
How do we do this? 4 minus 16 over
4
5.
times 5 minus 16.
So we do this the lazy way. So now I'll write it this way. 4 over 1. You type this in your calculator if you want to, but we're going to do this the fast way. So we're going to say this times this. What is 1 times 5? 5. 5 times 4. And 1 times 16. 16. And this becomes, what is 20 minus 16? 4 over 5. It's your b.
Wow.
Did you see that? Did you see that? Now, can we answer the question now? Y equals what? Mx plus b. So y equals, what is m?
Negative 10.
Negative 2 over 5 x.
Oh, I didn't see
And what is our b? Plus 4/5. And that's it. Got it? Let's do another one.
Did you got it?
Yes, sir. So we're going to have to find both. But I always like to find the m first.
X.
So m equals y2 minus y1.
Huh?
Y2,
Y.
y1, no, I'm sorry, x1,
X1.
y1, x2, y2. So y2 is what? 14 minus -1, 7
Did you got it?
minus 4. Yes, son.
If I can remember, you can like switch them, right? Like, 7 and 14 could be x1 and y1.
Is yes. But as long as you label it correctly, you'll be fine. So now, let's see. The slope now will be 14 plus 1, right? The top one, right? So 14 plus 1 is what? 15. And 7 minus 4. What is 7 minus 4?
3,
3. And what is 15 divided by 3?
5,
5. So m is what? 5.
5.
Now, we're going to go back to y equals mx plus b, right?
Or you could just put
Now,
b equal 1.
let's set it up now. What is the m? 5. Now, let's use the first point, right? Again, so y is -1 and x is what? 4.
5 times 4.
Now, this is -1 equals what is 5 times 4?
20,
20 plus b. And how do we get b by itself? What do you change that? -1
Minus 20.
minus 20 equals b. -21 is your b, right? Now let's go back again. Y equals what? mx plus b. So y equals, what is the slope again?
5.
5x. And what is the b?
Negative.
Minus
minus
You can just put -21, right? Make life easy. Got it?
Too fast.
So too fast. Okay, let's
I
go.
got it.
Plus -21. And now, thank you, 5x minus 21. To make life easy. Question.
Did you sneeze before you sneezed?